Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to apply Netherlands visa from UAE. First go through the official site of VFS, and first step will be the booking appointments. Once you get the appointment, then you can do rest of documentation. For checking a visa type, click on apply for a visa. From here you can identify the visa type. Before starting the section, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe. From here, visa category and identify the visa. So I'm just showing you how to apply tourist visa. So there are other category also they mention here. So as per your requirement, you have to select here what is the purpose. So I'm just selecting tourism. Now you can see visa overview. Uh, this is the visa condition and all. And now you can see how much the visa fees. Visa fees same like other Schengen visa applying from UAE. And documentation requirement, you can see a checklist. So before starting to apply any visa, first step we have to check the checklist. What are the documents and requirement on the basis? So you have to arrange and you have to apply the visa. Once you read all the documentation requirement, you have to arrange the documents as per the checklist. And now we can see photo specification, processing time, and download form. Click on here. For Netherlands we have to do online application, same like we are doing for France and Belgium. So first we have to create a login ID with this website, then only we can able to apply the online application. So I will make a different section for online application, how to fill the Netherlands visa application online. Hope you guys understand about Netherlands. Any question you can put one comment. Are you looking for Netherlands visa assistant from UAE? You can contact us. We can help you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the section. Thank you.